morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3018th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, interesting story, wait until you see. Trading's risky, remember to put your stops in, stops. I couldn't trade my way out of a paper bag this week. Thank the Lord for stops. I've been bagged this week. Not usual, you know what I mean? Omni usually is really good for me, but every now and then I'm not so good. Let's hope we can pull off a good Friday. All right, so make sure your stops go in. Traders, I was about to show you the E-mini S&P. We talked about the gap getting filled yesterday. Remember in the video I said, is the gap going to get filled? It looks like it should. The gap did get filled, right? So there we are, gap filled, gotta love it. Will it continue? And I thought, well, will it continue? I'll go look at the leaders and see. So I look at the Russ, which has kind of been leading us up. It kind of led us up and down this last little jaunt that we've done, both up and down in the markets. The Russ was kind of out there leading the way. So I went to look at the Russ, and I have to say, made all-time highs on Thursday. It looks to me like, why not? ES should just keep going. Russ is going to keep going. Then I went to look at the other leader, the transportation average. And I looked at that and said, well, that's still up there nice and high. Made another new high on Thursday. Why wouldn't it continue? And then I stumbled upon this, and the whole rest of the video I was going to show you, I had metals charts, I had charts in crypto, I had all kinds of charts. They all went out the window when I seen this. Look at this craziness. Stumbled upon this and went, what? Look at this flat top right here. And it began at the top of this trend line, where the trend line meets the high of that flat top, which for now I am just going to make a little thinner so it's not in our way. But look at this for a moment. Look at, I think that's a flat top. There's a question mark there because until it proves itself, it's not a flat top. But it looks like one to me. Pretty long, solid, well-defined flat top. And we know this. Flat tops produce market drops, right? That's been an Oscarism, an Oscar saying for years. And boy, it's worked a lot of times. So, when I ran into that, I went, whoa, I can't just run out and say, hey, everything looks good. Now, on top of that, get this. All the bullishness that you've seen in the market the last 2 days, the Omni waved us off from further buying ES, NASDAQ, or Russell. And then I found this flat top and went, whoa, that's two things happening at once. So the fact that Omni waved us off, we're not going to trade NASDAQ, Russell, S&P for trading on Friday, and I thought I would show that to you. So I promise you I had a whole bunch of charts written down. We were going to go over a series of these and the ones written here. This is enough. Look at that. That may change all of our plans. I'm taking a day off. I'm not going near the indices because that is the Dow Jones Daily. It is the market called the Dow Jones. I think I'm going to stay away. But there is one other thing I'd like to show you that you guys might love. And here's the thing. The whole market can be going one way, but there could be other things that go the other. I'll show you that in a second, but I also wanted to mention this to you. Traders, I am going to Europe. OmniCamp's coming to Europe. We're going to Europe. But I'm going to let you choose where in Europe. So I've created a poll. If you go to OmniBootCamp.com and click the poll, tell me where in Europe you'd want me to come with the Omni crew, and we will host OmniCamp in that part of Europe. Again, below this video, what you're going to find is a link that'll take you to a spot that'll leave a poll of a few different countries within Europe. Please click where you would like the Omni to show up, and we will do OmniCamp there. Now, the most chosen country, the most Omniacs that come from one particular country in Europe is where we will go. So you have the list. Go to Omni Bootcamp and check that out for me. If you are in Europe and you want to do an OmniCamp, I'm coming to you. Tell me where. Now let me show you the cool thing about what I also noticed this evening. Sorry, we're not going to go look at those great metals charts, especially platinum, but instead we're going to look at this. This is what I'm going to show you. Now, in the last webinar and I guess in a few times afterwards, I mentioned this big old double top in Tesla, and that when we see a double top, we sell a double top, right? We know that. Well, look what happened after it double topped. Look at this. It certainly paid its respect when it double topped. So it paid the respect to the double top. So this is basically kind of gone now, right? It's there, but it paid its respect. So we don't sell double top again when we get up there. We'll talk about that when we get there. Now there's this. When it does drop, it drops down to the OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average in Tesla. And then it pops, and it drops, and then it pops, and then it drops, and then it pops, then it drops, then it pops. You see what I'm saying? Then it pops big, then it drops, and it pops into a double top. Then it drops, and it looks to be like it has held its test, and it's on its way back up. So there is a good shot that Tesla will rally tomorrow, even if there's some kind of a double top, or a flat top, I should say, not a double top. If there's a flat top in the Dow, that doesn't mean the NASDAQ can't go, and Tesla's part of the NASDAQ. With that Dow, I'm glad the Omni waved me off from getting long S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ, at least for one day. But this is a cool thing, right? Now, if we get a chance, we'll take a fill in Tesla, because it held OTAPMA, and we love when it does that. So, traders, I wanted to show that to you. I hope this helps. Make sure that you go to omnibootcamp.com, as I mentioned. Omni Bootcamp, the link will be below. If you want OmniCamp in Europe, just let me know. Traders, hopefully I can trade my way back into that paper bag on Friday. We'll see what happens. But you know, I feel as much pain as you guys do when we do these trades, right? So we're all in the same boat together, kids. I'll do my best to pull off a good one tomorrow, and maybe it'll be in Tesla. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, stop soaring. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, kids. Good luck trading out there, or I should say up yours. We don't believe in luck. We say up yours like up your account. Have a good day trading. I'll see you at Live with